once a client hires us, they don't have to worry about 6 steps down the road or 10 steps down the road or the whole process, right? Sometimes they won't have to do anything, and it'll be up to them if they, however much they want to be involved. You can choose to read every document that one defendant files against another, or you could not choose to do that and wait for us to kind of call you and tell you what really matters. It is up to that individual client how they weigh out the stress of, being involved in the litigation versus their desire to know and have some exercise of control over the situation. And we are happy to kind of run with it or keep you super involved in every step of the process, depending on what your preference is. Before we worry about filing a complaint or identifying defendants, let's get the medical records in. Let's have those reviewed by an expert. If there are documents we need to request, let's go request them. Okay, we need to file a complaint. We don't have to worry about settlement or trial. All we're going to do is worry about filing a complaint right now. That's not so bad. Look, I'll draft the complaint. All you need to do is receive it in the mail, read it, and make sure that it squares with the story you understand and told me, and send it back and say, yep, it's good. You make it manageable by kind of taking one specific measurable step at a time.
From a perspective, if I'm somebody who's been hurt, I want to know if I have a case. That's why we call it a consultation. There's no charge for a consultation. What you are doing is you are spending 15 minutes, half an hour on the phone. And the nice thing about our firm is we're small. It's me, Bill, Noah, Nicole. You're talking to one of us about the case. And the first 45 minutes to an hour, it's just a conversation about what happened. And then from there on, we really take the reins and handle it from there on out. But the important thing is the consultation is just a conversation, and it's free.